Hello everyone, I'm Sal D'alia, Senior Video Producer at Adorama TV, and today I'm going to do an hands-on video on the brand new zoom by Sony, the 20-70mm f4G. When Sony released the 24-105, it became a crowd favorite because it gives you flexibility to basically go out with one lens and shoot whatever you want. With this lens, you can do more environmental portraits. You definitely use that wide, nice angle without distortion, and also you can do a better macro with it. So this lens becomes perfect for photographer and videographer looking for a small, versatile zoom. It becomes a new standard zoom that covers an ultra-wide range. It's incredibly compact and lightweight. It's just under 500 grams and 4 inches tall. There is a 60% increase in autofocus speed. So if you have one of the new bodies from Sony that has a fast autofocus, this lens is gonna work perfectly with it. The 2070 has a 9-blade circular aperture that provides soft bokeh. So don't think that the f4 is not gonna give you that nice soft bokeh that you're used with prime lenses. It basically, there are no compromises in image quality, autofocus, and movie recording. As I said before, this lens is actually great also for macro photography. The minimum focus distance is just 9.8 inches. And for those of you that are more interested in shooting video, this lens reduces the focus breathing, reduces focus shift while zooming, and also axis shift while zooming. So at 20mm, you get nice, smooth, stable video recording. On the lens, of course, you got, your manual focus, you got your iris lock, you got an aperture ring switch, and 2 customizable focus hold buttons. If you use filters, it will be a 72mm screw-on filter. The lens is dust and moisture resistant. All seams are sealed, and a rubber ring seals the lens mount. Also, the front element features a fluorine coating that repels water, oil, and other contaminants. I personally love shooting at 20mm, there's no distortion, and you can get, the buildings in the background, and you can also actually do portraits, like environmental portraits with it. So it gives you a little bit an extra compared to the classic 24-70. So for those of you that, don't care about aperture, don't need to shoot at 1.2 or 2.8, this lens actually can basically get everything done. As you can see, I shot all afternoon with just one body, one lens, which is very flexible, and that's what I really love about this lens. Thank you, Sony, for loaning me the lens. Subscribe to Adorama TV, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.